in Cherengani, where I come from, is more likely to sleep hungry than a young person did in 1963. That a young person in 2023 in Kenya is more likely to miss having an identification card than a young person did in 1963. That is the reality of the country that we are living today. Secondly, is that we have a youth bulge. And thank you so much, the PS for MSMEs, for touching on it. The projection is that by 2050, the population of this country is going to be about 92 million. Currently, the youth unemployment rate stands at 35%. The Kenyan youth unemployment rate is more than that one of Uganda, Tanzania, and Rwanda combined. That is the reality of the country that we are talking today. To worsen it is that now we have high cost of living. So we have youth that do not have a skill or a training in anything, or those ones who even have don't have access to any form of employment or any form of income generation. And we expect them to get an education, to get a skill, to get a training, and also provide for their young families. That is the reality that we are living in today. Third is that every generation is called to stand up for something that matters during their lifetime. For Tom Mboya, Masinde Muliro, Pio Gamapinto was the freedom and liberation of this country. For Raila Odinga, in absentia, with due respect, Gitobu Imanyara, Mukisa Kitui, it was for safeguarding our democracy and multipartyism in this country. For our generation, as the young people, it's about the emancipation of the young people from